was your Western National Rodeo star. A couple buckles under my belt. Yeah, I know you love me, but the fame had drugged me. I'll let you go for a spell. Well, you weren't the kind of woman to stick around and watch me leave. You bought a one-way ticket to anywhere but close to me. Well, darling, it must have been my good luck charm, because the next week I broke my arm. I lost my chance to qualify. I lost my will to ride. Now I wake up every morning with my 40-rod corn from a dream that had stayed true. How much left to me since I left you? My buckles and my boots. I've got no one. I'm just an empty shell, the ghost of the man I was. You were my southern belle, and I spend all my nights with a cold hard truth. All that's left of me since I left you are my buckles and my boots. I had my 8 seconds of fame, that's all just a distant dream. That rough stock truck stop still got my pictures up, so that's where I eat my beans. Yeah, the waitress says, hey, you're wasting away. She puts down a free bowl of soup. All that's left of me since I left you are my buckles and my boots. I've got no one. I'm just an empty shell,